So we're gonna play a little game here. Nothing crazy. We're gonna give you names. You're not gonna know the names. You got to give a one-word answer. Anything that comes to mind about said player or personality or organization member. All right. I'm gonna go first with my favorite player all time, Lawrence Taylor.
Lunatic.
Amani Toomer.
Ooh. Impressive.
Ahmad Bradshaw.
Beast.
Jeremy Shockey.
Tough.
Victor Cruz.
Salsa.
Pat Shermer.
Too nice.
Saquon.
Traitor.
Daniel Jones.
Oh.
Got him.
Smart guy.
I would have went with sucks, but
Ron No Gain Dane.
Oh, stud.
Odell.
Oh. Reunion.
Scattaboo.
Another psycho.
Eli Apple.
Bum.
Jeez. Strahan.
Oh, man. Traitor. You can't wave the Eagles flag before the Super Bowl. I like
Yeah.
it.
It's true.
Mr. Eli Manning.
Hall of Famer.
Good answer.
Tiki Barber.
Underrated.
I get all the good ones. Steve Tisch.
Jail.
Oh, fuck, I lost my spot here. Ben McAdoo.
Oh.
Great hair. Great hair.
I was going to say bad hair. That's 2 words.
Evan Neal.
Lazy.
Jesus, I do get all the good ones. Darren Waller.
Bad rapper.
It might
That's
be
a
more
good
than
one.
one word.